Be more than welcome to a day in my life. These days, I have found interesting texts in Spanish and surprisingly in English too, and other languages as well, but for today's video, the focus will be in English language texts. I have found them in my house, which I didn't notice before, and it made me aware that we have been surrounded by this language more than we are aware of. It is interesting for me because it shows how exposed we are to the language, and by asking my older relatives, it has always been like that, from the basic phrases such as good morning, how are you, or just words like hello or bye. It shows that it's mostly greetings, and even though not everyone has English as a second language, we use those words. Consequently, it creates a necessity because certain news stores or products use English to promote their services due to the image/perspective English has in our culture, by seeing it as if someone speaks English, is that they are in a higher status and maybe it's the target audience they want to approach for their services. Finally, on the other hand, I think it makes a positive impact in English learners because it exposes them even more to English in their cultural background, which fosters them to practice and use the language. Let's begin with the presentation of the first of 5 texts I decided to analyze. The first one is a pipe advertisement. It is a non-literary text because it's persuading the reader to buy a product. The purpose is to persuade buyers to get this pipe by giving its benefits and a call to action to show how it would look if you actually buy this product. Its audience are smokers and people who want to try an alternative to nicotine. The tone and style is persuasive and uses a bold, easy-to-read font. It is written in present tense, has a headline, image, and the benefits. Pedagogically, it can be used as a facilitator by providing a model to a reading and writing class of advertisements. Secondly, an expository text that exposes the tower fan functions. It is non-literary because it includes facts and how we can use the fan. Its purpose is to show the benefits of buying the tower fan to the target audience, that in this case is people who need a fan. The style is factual and straightforward, written in present tense in a list format. This could be a material for spoken discussions as an object example of what students could buy with which one is more effective as a discussion starter. Next, I found a movie review. It is a descriptive literary text about the movie When Harry Met Sally from the app Letterboxd. It expresses an opinion about the movie to Letterboxd users and people who want to watch the movie. It uses emotional language, using positive comments that are emotionally relatable to certain people and the author as well. Obviously, it's written using past and present tenses. Looks informal due to the lack of upper letters and is a general description of the movie. The text can be an example of informal writing for students to notice the difference between writing styles, or as well as a model for a writing class which has as an objective to write a movie review as a final task. Moving on to an expository text. It is a film description. It's non-literary because it is not trying to persuade you to watch the movie. It's just exposing the details of the film from the Academy Awards criteria book. Its purpose is to show details of the most relevant movie of each year from 1927 to 1996. It is not showing in the picture, but as a part of the movie description, there is also the name of the authors, the images, the audio, and more. Its audience is 2 movie critics It is objective and includes facts, as I already said. It is written in past tense, includes images with the description and all the description, which is the body text. The book can be used in a reading class as a source of information where students need to find names, tenses, or grammar in the body text. Finally, another expository text about the lipstick ingredients. It is non-literary because it's just giving facts from the ingredients used in the creation process to make this product and prove that it's safe to use for the people that want to buy this product. Its style is informational and precise, and it includes the product title and the ingredients. These texts can be used in specific subject reading classes that involve the semantic system to look for information, the definition of the ingredients. In conclusion, we can see that if we are aware of the typology of each text, we can use it to facilitate the teaching process in our classrooms if it is related to the topic and appropriate for the students. Thank you for your attention.